Hello everyone! How's everyone doing? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norbert. If you are new here, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is Norbert June. And if you like this video, you can always give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click that bell button so you'll get notified every time I post something good. Maybe you're guessing what I'm doing here in the kitchen. Today, I will be preparing Filipino macaroni salad, which is requested by my wife. She's been craving for macaroni salad. Well, macaroni salad in the Philippines has varieties. One is as a dessert and one is as a side dish for the savory dishes. The version I'm going to prepare today is the one that is as a dessert. Okay? So Laurent will be sitting down there and I will be preparing the rest of the dish. First thing is boiled water for your pasta. I'm going to use this gomitini, which is a smaller version of macaroni. And just follow the instruction on how it's cooked. This one cooks for about 8 minutes. While we're waiting for the water to boil, we're going to drain this fruit cocktail. This fruit cocktail is metal. You can also use whatever available fruit cocktail is. The Philippines always use it's either Dole or Del Monte, but in Singapore, Meadows is a cheaper version. So what I'm doing now is I'm preparing the bowl and I will be mixing the condensed milk and the mayonnaise. We normally use milk maid or Alaska or Carnation in the Philippines, but this is the cheapest version in Singapore, which is the Marigold Dawn. So just pour it over to the mixing bowl. Next is the mayonnaise. You can always use other mayonnaise. There's Heinz, there's Kraft, there's Lady's Choice, or any option. You can also use Japanese mayonnaise, but it's quite, I think it's too light for me, but today I'm going to use Lady's Choice. Here's my mixture of mayonnaise and condensed milk. Just fold it together and we'll just wait for the pasta to cool down before we mix it in. Here's a mixture. Whenever you are boiling pasta, make sure that you will put enough salt so as the water will taste like seawater. And for some people, they normally put oil into the pasta and just leave it as it is. The salt will prevent the pasta from sticking together. And now my water is boiling, I'm going to pour 500 grams of this pasta, so this is just one packet. For everything. Just stir every now and then just to make sure that it will not stick. Almost done. Okay, I'm going to strain my pasta. Make sure you will cool down the pan running water so it will not overcook. So what I normally do, I will use a colander and splash it with cold water. There you have it. In less than 30 minutes, we're done with our macaroni salad. Just put it in the chiller for 2 to 4 hours. If you want to enjoy it longer, you can put it inside the freezer and it can last up to 5 days.